Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in different ways on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, 8, and 10 as well. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say I had a couple of notepad files here. I feel like this is usually the best way to actually begin this demonstration. So let me have two different notepads open. So let me just write something in this one notepad file. One way to copy just would be to highlight over with your mouse. So apply pressure to your left mouse cursor or pointer. So hold down your left mouse clicker, highlight over whatever text you want to copy, select the File tab, and then select the Edit tab, and then select Copy. And then in the other notepad window here, you can select Edit and then Paste. So that's one way to copy and paste. Another way, if you highlight over this, you can right click and copy. So again, right click over the text, so you have to still select the text and then right click and copy. And then you go into this other window, you would right click and then paste. Something else you can try here too, if you just want to select a bunch of text on the page here, you might just want to highlight everything on a certain page. Tap the Control and A key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, the Control key and the A key. Control is abbreviated CTRL. It's typically in the bottom left or bottom right corner of your keyboard, not your numerical side, so if you have numerical buttons on the far right side of your keyboard, but the best example would be on the bottom left corner of pretty much every keyboard should be the Control key. So tap the Control and the A key at the same time, so hold both of them down to select everything on a page. That's one way to copy. And then if you go over to the other window here, you can tap Control and V this time to paste. So Control and A. And then to copy, you have to tap Control C. So again, tap the Control C key. And then if you want to paste it over here in this other window, tap Control V. So again, that provides another way to do it. And finally, another way you can also copy and paste would be just to highlight over the text, right click and copy, and then go to wherever you want to paste it, right click and paste. So there you go, guys. Showed you guys a few different ways how to copy and paste. On top of that, I also show you how to select all the text on a page if you don't feel like dragging over everything. Just tap the Control and the A key on your keyboard at the same time. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.